Hello guys, welcome to iWhere Official. Have you ever used a location changer? They can be used to change the location of social software, Arkansas game software, dating software, location sharing software, etc. So, how do you choose a good location changer? This video will compare 3 popular location changers to help you find the right one. First on our list is the iWhere iPhone location changer, a location changer with many powerful features. iWhere iPhone location changer is suitable for iOS users. It has 4 modes of changing location, and the movement speed can be customized. Next, let's see how it is used. Taking one-stop mode as an example, click on the map to select a route or enter a location in the search box to select a route. You can then set the movement speed to walking speed, bike speed, and driving speed. If you want to keep traveling on a route, you can customize the number of round trips. When everything is ready, click Start Move to quickly change the location. You can also save your favorite places and switch them with one click next time, which is very convenient. Next up is iMyFone AnyTo. This app is more than just a location changer. For starters, it offers a realistic GPS movement simulation. This means you can customize your path and the speed of your movement, convincing even the most scrutinizing apps that you're really there. Let's dive into how to use this versatile tool. First, you'll need to download and install iMyFone AnyTo on your device. Once you've done that, launch the app and click on the Get Started button. A map will display on your screen. Now comes the fun part. You can manually select a location on the map, or you can enter a specific address in the search bar. Once you've chosen your desired location, just hit the Move button and voila, your location is instantly changed. Another bonus feature is the ability to create a customized route. As you can see, iMyFone AnyTo is a simple yet effective solution for location privacy. Last but not least, we have LocaChange, a new player making waves in the location privacy space. LocaChange brings something fresh to the table with its innovative features and cutting-edge technology that sets it apart from the crowd. Let's dive right in and explore how to use this app. The first thing you'll notice about LocaChange has intuitive design, making it easy for anyone to navigate. To change your location, simply open the app and you'll see a map. Tap anywhere on the map and voila, you've virtually relocated. You can simulate walking, cycling, or even driving routes. Just plot your route on the map, select your mode of transport, and let LocaChange do the rest. Moreover, LocaChange offers a historical route feature. This allows you to save your favorite routes and use them anytime with a single tap. With LocaChange, you're not just changing your location, you're taking control of your digital footprint. Now that we've taken a look at these 3 fantastic apps, while all 3 apps are top-notch, where iPhone Location Changer stands out for its ease of use and multi-functions. Its unique features, such as joystick mode, saving favorite locations, are very helpful for AR gamers. iMyFone AnyTo offers one-click location spoofing and features customizable routes with joystick control. However, it presents a higher cost for casual users and carries a risk of detection in certain apps and games. LocaChanger allows the ability to select desired locations on the map and provides control over movement speed, but it cannot spoof Android device locations and lacks a free trial option. Overall, iWhere iPhone location is slightly better in terms of functionality and price. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for your support.